Now we are going to complete exercises of poem 5th Underground. Comprehension A. Fill in the blanks with words from the poem. First, underground life has been described as a kingdom by the poet. Second, it is populated by many animals such as rabbit, mole and ants. Third, the roots of the trees spread into the country of the dead. Fourth, many marvelous things are found under the ground. B. Choose the correct option. First, the poet says. Correct option is A. There is a bustling life under the ground. Second, the phrases that shows that ants live together is. Correct option is C. Populous empires. Third, how do some sleeping animals get disturbed? Correct option is C. By the humans digging with a spade or a fork. Fourth, the underground has been called the country of the dead because. Correct option is C. It is quiet and there is no light, as if there is no life underground. Read the lines from the poem and answer the questions. First, do they, as I pass overhead, stop in their work to hear my trade? Question A. Who are they and what work are they doing? Answer. They are ants and they are quarrying. B. What do they hear? Answer. They hear the poet's trade. C. What is the speaker doing? Answer. The speaker is walking. Then second line from poem. Some creatures sleep and do not toil. Question A. What could these creatures be? Answer. They may be sleeping animals like snails and caterpillars. Then B. Why do they not toil? Answer. They do not toil because they are feeling sleepy in their warm place. C. The poet makes a comparison of these creatures and others who toil. How are their lives different? Answer. The creatures who toil lead an active life, while the others do not toil and prefer to live in their secure and warm place underground. Then third line from poem. Deep down the buried rocks and stones are like Earth's gigantic bones. Question A. What do the buried rocks and stones appear to be to the poet? Answer. The buried rocks and stones appear to be the earth's gigantic bones to the poet. Then B. Do you think this comparison is suitable? Explain. Yes. The comparison is suitable because the rocks and stones are part of earth's core, just as bones are a part of the human body. Then D. Answer the questions. First question. Write 5 adjectives to describe the kind of life that exists underground. And answer is first secure, second warm, third dark, fourth solitary and fifth one is busy.